So we should be online. Let me get my blog, go to my blog. Okay. Alrighty. So, all good. Oh yeah, maybe Okay, I just had an idea. Let me just take notes. It's a good idea. My god, I just had the brightest idea of all time. It's really hard to describe. Could brighten the whole neighborhood. Let me add to my calendar. Or else I'll forget. Okay. Okay. That's cool. Okay. Okay, sorry. I just had to make a small detour. At everyone. Okay. So yesterday it was not an super eventful stream because Sound Group is a really hard class and this SG entry is kind of unbased. Okay. There's these constructors. I don't really care. But okay. So I should definitely add some extra validation here. So patch on group validate. So pull. Okay. So validate size. Sound group dot pull. Okay, let's see if this works. No, so std vector. Okay, let's just do it this way, right? Std vector avoid pointer. Okay. I just need to have proper types. That's it. But got C. Okay. Alrighty. So let's just do this, right? Printf. Here's the beginning. Okay. And then we do myvec. Okay, I just need to be super duper sure. The heck. Myvec dot. Vec push back. Okay, this should work. I just add a couple printfs like this. Do I need to something like that or no? Okay, it's very quick. Okay. Oh, interesting. So let me open this in a disassembler then. And size. Okay, that's fine. So let's go to Toby, Mr. Maguire. What? Okay, let's put it here. I actually wrote it correctly. That's crazy. So it's like this. Void A, void B, void C. Okay, now it's C. I'd rather do it this way, so my back, right? Okay, so the vector is quite simple. It's literally, okay. Okay, so you can see it here, right? At vector. So there's begin, but let's begin. That's the end. Oh, and I guess that's the capacity, right? It might be the capacity because the size, yeah, it just does a pointer difference, right? If I do capacity, that's a hard-coded value. Man, I'm trying so many things. Toby. Yeah. This guy. That's the end. No, that's if result. Hey, yo, what the heck? Begin and yeah. Oh, okay, okay. So let me try again then. Struct vector and capacity. I guess this explains it. Hey yo. Okay, now it makes more sense. Okay. So let's add it here, right? Vector, edit type. I should have done this a while ago. So Diff. Okay. Can I? What's a good example of using maybe signal callbacks, right? Ah, that's a list. Fuck. Where's it? Okay, I can also do. What's the? Just be told what's what's the actual difference between a list and a. Okay. Sound group, right? What's the difference between a list and a vector? Now that I'm thinking about it. It's a doubly linked list. Okay, whatever. Okay. I need to look for std vector stuff. So, pushback, I guess. Script object. Okay, CPP. Yeah. Thread lists. Right. Funks. Okay, let's look script object link, right? Script object link. This guy. So this. Oh, beautiful. Oh my god, this is the best. Oh god, this feels so good. Yeah, maybe I should do the list now. Okay, validate size, list of script object. Yeah, whatever, doesn't really matter. 0. Let's see what does it say about it. It's good to have proper definitions now, Jesus Christ. Size 4. So it's size 4. Okay. That's interesting. So std list script manager, or fuck it. I'll just buy my lists. My lists. Push back. Okay, push back this. And have here's the beginning and end size. Yeah, let's just print everything now, right? And do a my lists, do a my list begin, my list end. It's quite smart, I gotta be honest. Here's the beginning. Okay, now it's time to disassemble. It's much easier than to read stupid template code, man. Ay. How I hate templates. They are useful, but my god. Years. So, hey yo, okay. V8, it's the okay, let's do a shift F1. Come on, main struct list. Let me see. Let me. Okay, I think. Okay. Uh, let's see whether the clanker can clank some. Some Aramaic. Okay, some. What is a list? Hey yo. So I guess this points to the end. Okay, I see. So the beginning of the list looks like it's yeah. Yeah, okay. And view one. Okay. So okay, this is actually okay, this was actually much simpler than I thought it would be. So just do struct list next. It's literally this. What happens? The next everything else is just fluff. Okay, this is really cool to see. So let's take this out and go back to sound group. It's that function where it does resize, yeah, right here. Clear history, okay. I have a clear history. The pool. Let me just open the thing properly. Toby, sound interface, no sound group, yeah, that guy. Mm-hmm. Yeah, should be copyright. Okay, this seems to be the actual copy though. Why is this meeting pointer? Let's call SG entry. Kind of goofy what was happening there. Okay. If the yeah, okay. This is the weird part, right? Erase. Ah, this is indeed erased. And then it does. So this is indeed erased. That I'll agree. So V3 C times 4. Okay, all good, yeah. Hmm. Okay, so they completely zero out the whole thing. Okay, that's totally different. So clear history. Okay, first of all, let's just do this, right? Bam. This is a very weird function, I gotta be honest. Sound group. Copy, yeah. Fill insert. Yo. Okay, let me just go to clear history, clear, right here. So maybe this pull, wait, Hmm. Let's try something else. Hey, yo. What's the parent? It's copy. No, it doesn't even spit that erase thing. Maybe I can try to go here, grab. It's STL vector, yes, STL vector. Okay, that makes sense. If the new size is less than the size, we'll call erase. Else it will just... Oh, that's interesting. Clear, erase, begin. Ah. So it just called, okay, maybe clear. Okay, maybe clear is the proper function to call, right? I've seen this somewhere. Where did I see this? Yeah, that's a problem. So if the capacity, okay, if the capacity is less than the new, then it's time to freeze stuff. Okay, let's re-enable this. This thing has been giving me a headache since yesterday. Oh, access denied. What? Hey, yo, why? Ah, still open here. Let me just open it. Okay, all good. So, copy. Why is this function so weird? I guess it's this one, right? This guy. No. Kinda looks like it. So if I put these both on int, right? Will they match? I think they will. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, add 50. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it looks fine. Why is this so weird? Where is it? Right here. They really want to force this to be empty, which is crazy. Should I just, do this? Looks like, eventually it will be the same thing. We. Mm-hmm. Indeed. Okay, this is wrong. This call. Let's just start a new thing. Okay, it looks exactly like that. Resize, erase. My God. Does look like I'm getting closer, but at what cost, right? Sound group copy. Okay, for some reason it thinks that, okay, so this one has extra logic here. Okay, I see what's going on. This means that if we reach the end, we don't want to, yeah. That's fine, okay. Let's say like puts, what's up? No check-in, okay. We can probably hook this guy. Whoop. Okay. Patch on group patch. Some group copy. Okay. This might be good or not. Let's see. I'll assume it's right because I have no reason to assume otherwise. Okay. Seems to be working fine. Let's see how does it fare, right? Oh, don't even think about that. Okay, it seems to be working. That construct thing, I don't know why the code is not able to infer that I've done that. But I think it's related to the memory safety stuff. Since it needs to do memory safe stuff, I'll assume it's that. There's no reason to spend even more time on this. Okay, yeah. I can call you copy. So clear history. Okay, not matching. The pushback and resize bar. There's some different level of inlines. I believe it's due to the memory safety. My code spits a std construct while the original doesn't. I guess it's trying to be safe. Okay. And copy. Not matching. Clear. Okay. Ooh, so what's the name? Okay, now I can go up one. Right here. Oh wow, so many copies. Fuck. The hell? And it doesn't look like a... Yeah, exactly. You know, looks like the copy constructor, right? This guy is really weird. I gotta be honest. Sound group. Yeah, just setting a bunch of things to 0. Get next. Why there's the if there? Okay, who calls this guy? Hmm. Oh, here's the proper size for the... Yeah. Yeah, that's the problem. This floats. Oh, nice. Add group sound. Okay. Add sound group. Okay. Add sound group. Okay, here it is. Add shared. Yeah. That's the thing. Sound group clear history. Hey, yo, now that I thought about it, it's a sitar. It's not a sitar. What the fuck? It's not a discal. It's a generic. Okay, this is interesting, right? Hmm, that's very weird. Copy, duplicate. Okay, the size is now better. Let's get next. Is there such a thing? Group. So there's get next. Doesn't help me much. And oh, gun reload clip. Perfect. Remove safety. What the hell? Kind of fun. Cock. Cock and AI. Cock and AI. Cock and AI action. Oh man, I'll never find these things this regular way. I'm working on Spider-Man the movie game. I'm decompiling it or dissecting it. Okay, this is cool. Yes, so now gun apply effects. Yes. So something ternary operator. Okay. G render sounds. Okay. So so get next. Let's just go one by one, right? Okay, not this one. Doesn't look like any of these, to be honest. Oh. Oh, plus 48. Could be this guy. Could be this guy. Could it be? Could it be? What next? So yeah. Yeah, looks like it. Yeah. Okay. It does look like it. Sound group pointer. Okay, call that. So let's do get next. In theory, this could be an infinite loop. Yeah. And SG entry pointer. Okay. Coerce random float. That's funny. Uh, maybe this. Okay. Hey, yo. Okay. Hmm. Peace. P17. What the hell is this? Yeah, I'm not very familiar with audio stuff. Hmm. I'm lucky that this doesn't have any what is it called? Mortal functions. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, finally I found something cool. So that is the so get next and this is get by index sound group. Okay. So get by index. Okay. Finally something that doesn't scare the shit out of me. So SG entry. Index. Okay, this guy. If index smaller than 0 or index bigger than these entries. Fuller entries. Equal, right? These entries, okay, just this. There should be no fanfare here. Export. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so glad that I found this function. I was already losing my mind. Is it really, I don't understand much about audio stuff, and the code looks like they changed it quite a bit. So get by, where the hell is the get by? Get by. Did I forget to export? No, I didn't. What? Oh yeah. I don't know why it did that. Oh, I didn't save here. Okay. Yeah, okay. Of course, this wouldn't work. Cannot convert SG entry to... Oh. Hey. So is from const int. Uh, I don't know. Maybe. Kind of weird, I need to admit. Oh, disassembly. Yep. Okay, it looks good. Ah, okay. We're back to normal stuff now. Okay, this guy. Get by index, good. It commit sound group. Get by index. Hmm. Let's be 17 though. FPS. Okay. I have no idea what's the get next stuff, so whatever. To do. Okay. The thing is that I still have a constructor to do, right? The allocate. Why there's a bunch of allocation stuff going on? Oh, right here, right? Yeah, that's 40. Yeah, okay. Sound group. um. Okay, this looks fine. So sound group. This guy. Mm-hmm. Oh, there's the clear history stuff, right? So this looks fine. I don't know why it's commented out. Equal to this. I should rely on my code if I'm, using my code. This initialized copy aux. No, it's not. It's a little weirded out by this A2. Okay, that's the that's the size. Yeah, but this is all 0, so my 0 is meant to do, that's fine. I'd say that this is fine. Okay, not matching. Again, the allocation seem different. So polymorphic sound group. Mm-hmm. Okay, so all of these because I was doing sound interface. Don't even think about that. It seems to be working fine. When the size is correct, 99% of the things are correct. Okay, so let's go back to sound interface, right? Sound interface. What was the reason? So sound interface, shared sound. Oh yeah, There's this shared sound group stuff. Oh, because it has a vector of sound groups and a map of p strings. That's crazy. Okay, this looks really good. Missing before. Okay. This is silly. What am I doing? Okay. Okay. Let's go to shared sound group. Shared sound. Add sound group. God damn it. So, what is around it, right? Start. Oh. Sound interface. Mm-hmm. So, sound interface. Mm-hmm. Oh, sound interface. Sound interface. Where the hell is the get AFC, get AFC? Oh, generic sound interface frame advanced. Oh, hmm. Okay. Looks interesting, right? Sound interface. Hmm. So, so voices. Okay, voices. Oh wait, that's a vector. So frame advance. Hey yo. Yeah. Okay. I'm looking at the codes. Emitter sound playing. Okay. NSL get sound status. Okay. So NSL set emitter position and do this. my entity get absolute position. Okay, this looks fine. Yeah, okay, yeah, indeed. This, so else erase the thing. Okay, it looks really good. Any complaints? Yeah. Function does not set emitter status. Set emitter position. Oh yeah. Emitter, that's the thing. Emitter and pasta. Missing before comma. What? Oh yeah. Now I need to look into that. Cell set emitter position. So so void NSL set emitter position, NSL emitter ID, ID const NL vectors 3D new position. Okay, and I need to do the same thing here. Okay, here it is, and now ID. So position and declare new position. Good. Void returning it. Okay, that's true. Get some status. Get some. Ooh. Hey, yo, is void NSL sound status in cell sound ID, and let's go here. Sound. Okay, good. This guy. And now, which sound? Must return a value. You're right. Must return this. Okay. I'm ready to take a look at the code. Not this guy, sound interface. Forgot the name. Frame advance. Yeah, frame advance. Yeah, it looks really good, but just to be triple sure. 7, E8, 7, E8, okay. Mm-hmm. Choosing a different register allocation. I don't know why. I guess it must be this thing over here. But it actually returns. So let's see if it returns anything. Frame, advance. Virtual void. Yeah, okay, virtual void. Wait, but it takes an argument. Okay, it doesn't do anything. Could it be this code? Let's take a look at this. Hmm. This small prologue, it's the thing that's confusing me. Mm-hmm. What could cause this? Okay. Looks good. Could it be this? I don't know, it looks a little goofy. It's very odd stuff. Hey, yo, I got it to match. Alrighty, so this is no, why did I save it? Okay, I actually need to add validation to this guy. So, okay, matching init get my entity versus is my entity yield different code. So poly, what's the name of the function? Frame advance. Okay, git status, git diff. What? Did I forget to commit? I did, okay. Git status. No. Okay. I'm not even going to fix this. And some interface frame advance. It's not even worth. That's okay, good. I need to validate vtable. So this should be on the vtable. Should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Let's see whether that's the case. Frame advance. Let's put 0. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Oof. So let's compare the vtables, right? So advance, this guy, set IFC, get IFC. They all yield the same thing, right? Yeah, it's all generic stuff. Okay, so I can do this. Git status. So, okay. I need to look at the, oh yeah, the copy. This stuff. Mm-hmm. Yeah, all good. Okay, this looks fine, to be honest. So sound interface, copy. So patch, push red. Soon I'll need to leave and go to the gym. Delete this. It doesn't have a virtual. Huh. What is this thing about? File extract, right? Play and 3D. Okay, let's take a look at this. String num num. Don't. Okay. V call. Hey yo. I'm being trolled. This guy, this V table, doesn't seem to be doing all of this. Oh, it's right here. Okay, I found it. Sound interface plays 3D sound. Okay. It's sound interface plays 3D sound. So yeah, okay. Okay. That's the sound interface is enabled. Okay. Play 3D. Oh, right here. So play 3D sound. What are the parameters? Count string X float float. Okay, that does look like the case. So file spec extract. I have this thing, file spec extract. Extract S. Ah, okay. So this is the file spec. Okay. Path name. Okay, okay. The reason why. Okay. looks like to be okay. I was really going crazy. So struct file spec string x path string x name string x ext file spec. Yeah, it makes basically no sense. Okay, name. That's an interface. Okay. So looks pretty straightforward, these guys. Yeah, okay, this is the destructor. Really matter. So there's extra code here that I. So this guy is NSL set sound emitter. Bam. And this NSL play sound. Okay. And that's the sound interface enable. Okay. Let's just play 3D sound. And we need to return something. Apparently, okay. So if sound interface. Ooh. Okay. Sound interface. Sound interface. Sound interfaces. Static static bool sound interfaces enabled. Wait, can I just search for this thing in the code? Okay, no, I can't. Sound interfaces enabled. Where is it? Okay, I lost. Sound interfaces enabled. Okay. Is it set? Enable interface. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. So the thing with file spec, right? Wait, which one of them is this? None of them calls extract, as far as I know. Okay. So how do I call this? Is it just file spec extract SMD. It just is. I might be overthinking this. Kind of text. Oh no, it's just. What? Explicit, yeah. Okay, good. Oh, it's just that. Oh, jeez. Unresolved external symbol. True, 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 true. So, bool sound interface enabled. Should do. Okay. Unexpected following. Okay. 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 Ooh. God damn it. Well, it's the return, so I NSL add sound. So let's just do add sound, right? Sound ID. Okay. NSLX. NSL get source. Hmm. So okay, so this is what I was doing. So get source. Name chars. Okay. Okay. So spec name C string false. So unsigned in source. It's fine. Then okay, it's just a special function. So assign int tag. Okay, that's it. Let's just okay, indeed. Sound ID, good. So if Okay, let's just do this. This guy is okay. So whenever, okay, it says V7 here. Sound ID. Get of position. Okay, it looks fine. I'll have a few errors. NSLX at source, indeed. So NSL add sound, yeah. Ooh. Wait a moment. NSLX, okay. And good. I did the X in the wrong place. Set some parameter. Set some. Okay, NSL volume. Sound param volume. Pitch. It looks good. And of course, now I need a bunch of functions. So to start with NSL play sound. Sound. Pointer. Nice. Sound to play. Sound emitter. Oh, get source. Right. Huh. in cell source ID. Okay, and get source. Wait, what? Ah, it's this guy. Okay, that's why it was not recognizing it. This guy. Wait, get source still not recognized. What? NSL get source. Oh. Const char name. Okay, my bad. Name. What? Ah, okay. Const char. Good. So yo, okay. Type def and sound ID. Pointer, source ID. Okay. Oh, that's not good. Set some limit. Like def. Some instance. So the last thing that I need is the emitter. Set some emitter. This guy. Yeah, okay. It looks fine. Let's just take a look. how the code looks. This will be the last one because I need to hit the gym. No, oh god. So sound interface. Overwrite. What? Oh, okay. So let's try now. Oh man, it still exists. Stupid ass database. Sound interface. The database away. Go away. Okay, this looks really good. But is this matching? That's the question. $1 million. So 1C. What? D3C. What the heck? Okay, that looks fine. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, this looks fine. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What the? Oh yeah, this 3-1C. Oh god. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I was being silly. All good. So this guy plays 3D sounds. Oh, there's two. Okay. So patch push, poly. Plays 3D sound. And okay. Okay. Let's see if I didn't break anything, right? So validation seems to pass. If it runs instantly, it means that it passed. Copy, hit if. My god, so much code. Oh, yeah, okay. Sound interfaces enabled. Okay. Define get sound interfaces enabled. Sound interface, right? Sound interfaces enabled. Okay. Now do the same thing here. Now do it. Printer cast pull pointer. Okay. So oh yeah, I could just give a proper name to this guy. Here you go. So now get sound interface enabled. Okay, that's a little better. Let's just redo this real quick. Just to see if I did not mess up anything. Okay, play 3D sound. It doesn't look like, yeah, okay. That's really good to see. Git copy. Let's go. Yeah, play 3D sound. Seems to be working fine. Oh, we are close on the 400 function. Okay. Let's see whether the 3D sound works. My god, this guy is just blasting me. Here you go. Oh, he's right here, okay. Oh, there's another one, okay. Let's see if this works. The target camera key. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. You can't kill me. Okay. This seems to be working. I just need to move on. What's the name of the function? Yeah. Okay, matching. Sound interface. Sound interface. Play 3D sound. Yeah. Okay, this is good. The stream started a little shaky because yesterday was really complicated, but I'm happy. Yeah. Validation. Let's just, okay, I need to do this in order first. Save the databases. Nuke this thing that I don't care about. And let's close this guy. Let's close this guy. Validation passed, so, okay. Okay. Can close this. Now time for the IDVs. And while I wait, here's the code. Okay. How long was the stream today? Yeah, it was. Hello, can you explain about you? Thank you. Sorry, I didn't see the message. I was focused on what I was doing, but I can explain in a moment. Okay. Yeah, all the NSL stuff is not done yet. I was happy with this guy. Yeah, this get next is insane. I think get next doesn't really change anything, so yeah. Yep. Looks like I'm starting now to actually write code. Wait. Did I replace the constructor of sound interface? I don't think so. Okay. Okay, this is all good. Okay. Let me explain what I'm doing. So in my blog, I actually explain it better. But what I'm doing is, okay, let me explain this. So if you assume that the game is a bunch of code that runs like this, right? Little boxes, like so. Let's assume it's all stuff like this. What I'm doing is one by one replacing these boxes with my version that is equivalent. And there will be a point where I control all of it. Hey, thanks, man. That, you know, the moment that I've rewritten everything in the stack, it means that I have the exact source code or similar source code to the original. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to recreate the original source code piece by piece. In this case, function by function. But that's basically it. On my blog, I explain some interesting things about the compilation and some tricks and interesting things that I've come to find. That's it. Okay, I need to go to the gym.